Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to share with you my secret how I earn $23,650 an hour. How did I do that? I will share with you the breakdown of my income so that you could see it for yourself. Before we get into it, I need your help. I put a lot of hours into this video, so it's really helped me out, guys. If you keep breaking that like button, it's a Google, YouTube, the algorithm. It just helped me a lot. Are you on a clock working to get paid $10, $12 an hour, or you properly were burning the candle driving Uber or Lyft, and then your income got cut off because of the pandemic? Then you found out that you don't have any benefits like other W-2 workers. On the other hand, you may be among the lucky few who still have the holes of their jobs, working for the manufacturer, grocery stores, or the healthcare industry during the pandemic. However, is it worth it to physically have to go back to work and expose yourself and your family to the risk of COVID-19? From my end, I'm just plain lucky that I've been setting myself up in a stable financial situation for some years now. So I'm not as impacted by this pandemic like the majority of people who have to eke out a living during these tough times. Well, you see, I'm getting paid at $23,650 an hour. Yes, you heard it right. Not $10, not $12 an hour. It's $23,650 an hour to be exact. I had never imagined that someday I would be able to make this much and not having to work my butt off making a living. How did I do that? One simple reason is that my master financial plan worked. It may be amazing and hard to believe. So I'm going to give you the breakdown. My first rental property, single residential in Orange County, California, 4 bed, 3 bath. Market value $750,000. Rental income $2,300 a month. My second rental property, a condo in Orange County, California, 2 bed, 2 bath. Market value $330,000. Rental income $1,700 a month. My third rental property, multifamily properties in San Bernardino, California. Market value $530,000. Rental income $3,800 a month. My fourth rental property, a vacation rental property in San Bernardino, California. Market value $400,000. Rental income $4,550 a month. I have 2 businesses in San Bernardino, each produce $2,000 a month. All my properties have been appreciating every year. So when I divide the appreciation by the number of years I own the properties and then divide that by 12 months, I have capital appreciation of $7,300 a month on all of my properties. Adding everything up, and that put my total total income at $23,650 an hour. The best part is that I only have to work on average 1 hour a month to earn that income. I don't have to drive every day. I don't have to wake up early or drive home late. I don't have to get stuck in traffic for 10 plus hours every week. I have set up the system where I don't have to work the same task every month. Everything is set up online. My tenants send payments to my bank account automatically via bank transfer or auto debit at the beginning of every month. My expenses are paid for through a recurring fixture every month. Bills are paid directly from my bank accounts. So, I'm currently working an hour and making $23,650. If I worked a typical 40 hours a week for 50 weeks a year and gave myself for 2 weeks off for vacation, that would be working 2,000 hours annually. Do the math. That brings everything to $47,300,000 a year. But no, right now I'm not working 2,000 hours a year. I don't have 200 property at this time. But that's part of my plan. I just want to show you the formula that helped me to get to where I am now. Living comfortably with passive income and getting through unexpected events like COVID-19 pandemic. It's possible. It's doable.